guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Roblox without verification. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Roblox account without verifying or without passing that verification, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Roblox. And after searching for Roblox, now what you can do is just tap on this option which says login. And after tapping on login, now you have to enter your account's username or email address or phone number and then enter your password. Just simply enter that, and after entering those details, just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot password and then create a new one. You can also do the same with your username and then recover your username. But if you don't have an account, what you can do is just tap on create a new account, and by tapping on that option you will create a new account, new Roblox account. Now you just have to tap on login. After tapping on login, here you can see you have successfully logged into your Roblox account without verifying your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log in Roblox without verification. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.